Hello all, welcome to Gravity Productions. In this video, I'll walk you through production in a Jaggery unit. So, let's get into the video.
This is Cherpungal sugarcane plantation where sugarcanes are cultivated for jaggery producing unit in Puliyannur near Pala, Kottayam. Here, absolute organic sugarcane is cultivated in 5 acres. It will take 1 year to reach its complete growth. Rampuram Kurni native, 25-year-old B.Tech student Arakathil Manu Matthew and his team rented the land in Cherpungal to cultivate sugarcane. They would collect sugarcane breed named Madhuri from Sugarcane Research Center Tiruvalla to farm in their rented land. Since sugarcane farming needs plenty of water, a stream near the land helps in the cultivation. They would make small bundles of sugarcane stumps after harvest and send them to the Jaggery Production Center. There is no need of the replantation after the harvest since the bottom of sugar can remain in the land. Although jaggery is also made from the sap of coconut and dates palm, the one made from sugarcane is the one that used most widely.
My name is Manu Matthew. We are here in Kerala and Kottayam, which is located in Pala, and we have 2 types of varieties of jaggery here, and we are cultivating this in our own field, which is located here in Cherpungal, which is also situated about 5 kilometers from here, and we are producing 2 types of organic jaggeries here, which includes one type is this, which is the one type of jaggery. This is a normal type one, and the other one is Jeeraga Sharkara, or we term as Jeeraga Jaggery. This is the next one, the smaller version of the normal version, which includes Jeeraga and dry ginger powder.
Jaggery Production Center is situated 1.5 kilometers away from Pala town. The Katan clan sugarcane will be crushed to collect its juice for the jaggery production. Historically, the sugarcane cultivators used crushers that were powered by oxen, but now tiller-driven crushers are used by the cultivators. Even though electrical crushers are available, if the electricity stops, will affect the work. Therefore, they use crushers that are driven by tillers. After taking the juice, the leftover skin of sugarcane stumps, known as chandi, would be dried and used as fuel for cooking. And also chandi can be used for feeding animals and making organic fertilizer. extracted sugarcane juice is transferred to a big vessel for heating. Two kinds of jaggery is produced in Pulyanur: normal jaggery and cumin seeds, ginger spice and cardamom combined rounded jaggery. We can have rounded jaggery with tea and coffee. Sugarcane chandi can be used to make spirit to produce alcohol. In Karnataka, sugarcane chandi is widely used to produce spirit. Once the juice is poured out into a vessel, heating it, a person should stir it continuously. Unless we do it, it will burn. When we stir it, it will lose water that contained and become a gummy syrup. Before we transfer the gummy syrup to another vessel, we have to take off sugarcane mud that would be coming up to the juice twice. Unlike the jaggery we buy from other places, the heated sticky juice would pass to a woody vessel which is known as kurukutoni. Kurukutoni is made of wild jackfruit tree or teak wood. Due to organic and pure jaggery, honeybees will be near to the kurukutoni and will enjoy the honey. Though historically Kerala had a massive cultivation of sugarcane, later it had stopped. Sugarcane can be farmed without hard work and much fertilizers, and also sugarcane cultivation is free from insects attack. Unlike the jaggery we buy from other places, Pulyanur jaggery won't melt badly, and since it's organic, it is demanded. After stirring the juice in the kurukutoni, water will be dried out so that it can be rolled up. It's done when the juice is hot. Rolled up jaggery will be left for freezing. It will be cooled down within 1 hour. Since it's made organically, it's costly. Unlike from other places, due to the lack of weight, we will get a good quantity of jaggery. As long as it's organic, it will boost our body's defense system, says Manu Matthew. It will help to wipe out unnecessary things from our body and other safety of our lives, so that it will provide us a healthy life. If anybody uses Puliyano jaggery, that person would come again to get jaggery from here. They started the unit in this season and are planning to extend the unit in next season. Women can find solution on the menstruation related issues if they have a piece of jaggery every day. Diabetic patients also can enjoy it without any harm. Jaggery acts as a detox as it helps cleanse the liver by flushing out nasty toxins from the body. Iron presence of jaggery is very much beneficial to children and pregnant women. Iron presence of jaggery is very much beneficial to children and pregnant women. Jaggery prevents constipation by aiding digestion. It activates the digestive enzymes in our body, thus helps in proper digestion of food. When the farmers leave industries like rubber, they may try these kinds of innovative ways of industries. A good encouragement should be given to the organic jaggery production in Kerala. There are units of jaggery production in the various parts of the state. Pala Jaggery Production Unit is a good example to farmers.
Thanks for watching. Like, subscribe, comment and share.
I can hear the sound.